These are a few first aid tips you will use. Wooden thorns accidentally stuck in the hand. Prepare a glass cup. Then bake the inside of the cup over the heat. Wait until there is white smoke inside the glass. Just quickly put the cup upside down on the hand with the wooden spikes. Press it down for a while. The wood spur can be easily removed. 2. What to do when you are stuck eating. You can stand behind her. Hold the patient. Make a fist with one hand. Squeeze the upper abdomen and lower abdomen. This allows the food stuck in the throat to be spit out. 3. In the car when you find motion sickness and want to vomit, how to do. Peel off a piece of ginger before taking a ride. Stick it on your wrist like this. It'll be a good relief from the motion sickness. I hurt my finger. It's hard to wrap it up with a band-aid directly. Cut the band-aid twice like this. You'll be able to dress the wound perfectly. 5. A friend has a cold and a fever to do. Slice the raw ginger. Boil the pot with Coke. This is a steaming glass of ginger cola. Is the best cold medicine. Cutting vegetables, accidentally cut fingers. Peel the egg film off. Stick it on the wound. The wound recovered after a 3-day wait. Sit long leg numb, how to do. Remove the hairpin and stab it in this area of the calf. The numbness in the leg soon disappeared. The toothache is unbearable. Put the brewed tea bag in your mouth for a while. It was not long before the toothache recovered. Drinking water burns your tongue too hot. Take a sugar cube and put it on your tongue. It will effectively slow down the burning sensation. It took 30 years to find out the right way to use a band-aid. Did you learn that? 11. Accidentally hit by a ball. Boil the eggs. Roll back and forth on the bruise. The bruising can be quickly eliminated. Pay attention to me for more practical tips.